What's up friends, and welcome to today's piano tutorial. My name is Josh and I hope you're having an awesome day so far. Happy Halloween if you're watching today. I hope you have a spooktacular day. Ooh. Today's song is going to be Forgive Myself by Sam Smith off of his brand new album. Please let me know down in the comments if there's other songs off of that album that you want to hear, because there's some good ones in there. Or any songs in general that you want to see a piano tutorial for. Let me know down in the comments. If this video helps you learn the song at all, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos in the future. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, in this song, the verse and the pre-chorus are going to have the same chords, so we'll go over those first, and then we'll look at the chorus, where it's really all the same chords except for one chord is changed. The chords that are going to be played during the verse are going to be an E flat, a G minor, a C minor, and then an A flat. So let's look at how we're going to voice those. In the bass, we're just going to play single notes, and we're going to start here with our E flat. And in the right hand, we're going to play two notes, a G and a B flat. Next, we're going to move down to a G in the left hand for a G minor chord. That's going to be a B flat in the right hand and a D now. Now for the C minor chord, we'll move up to a C in the left hand and a C and an E flat in the right hand. And lastly, for the A flat chord, we'll move down to an A flat and we'll keep the right hand exactly the same, C and E flat. So those four chords. So now that we know those chords, let's look at the pattern we're going to play. So this song is in the time signature of 4/4, which means we're going to have 4 beats in every measure. So the pattern we're going to play in time is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So as you can see, we're playing each chord for 2 measures. We're counting to 4 twice. And we're just going to play on beats 1, after beat 2, 1, 2, and then again on beat 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we'll just use that pattern for all 4 chords. Alright, that's the verse as well as the intro. Now moving on to the pre-chorus, this section is going to be almost identical. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a couple extra notes here in the right hand. So our first chord now is going to be the same, but we're going to add this top E flat to our E flat chord. Now to our G minor chord, we are going to add this G to what we had before, was just this, now we'll add the G. The C minor chord, again, we'll add this G, then we're actually going to walk down to this B flat in the bass, and then here on the A flat chord, we'll add our A flat. And that is the pre-chorus. Lastly, we have the chorus. Alright, so the chorus is going to be all the same chords, but instead of playing a G minor chord like we had in the verse, we're going to now play a B flat chord. So now let's go over those chords. The E flat chord, exactly the same as we had in the pre-chorus. Here our B flat chord, we'll have B flat in the bass, F, B flat, and D here in the right hand. Now for this C minor chord, you can play it like this, but the way I like to play it is to play a B flat here instead. So it's like a C minor 7, because B flat is our 7th. So really, the right hand is the same that we used on our E flat chord. And then here on the A flat chord, we're going to play it just like before. We repeat, go through all 4 of those chords again. E flat, B flat, C minor 7, and now on this last A flat, we're just going to play the chord once and hold it, and then we're going to play an A flat again in the right hand, but in the left hand we're going to play a B flat. So that's going to be an A flat over B flat. And there it is, pretty much the whole song. Also, in one of the later choruses, they just play it an octave above, something up here. Also, if you want a more open feel during the chorus or the pre-chorus, what I would do is just play in the right hand, leave out the middle note. So instead of playing this, I would just play these 2 notes. Now, if you listen to the song, you'll notice that sometimes in the right hand during the chorus, there's an extra note or 2 added as we're transitioning from one chord to the other. Let me show you kind of what I mean. So here you can see we're playing this, but on the last time, we're going to move this E flat down to a D to help us move into the B flat chord. You might also hear it like this. So now we're using this F note as a transition to go from this E flat to the B flat chord. So just listen for things like that throughout the song. All right, there you go. That is Forgive Myself by Sam Smith. Alright, so that brings us to the end of today's piano tutorial. I hope that wasn't too hard for you. I think you can probably get it down with a little bit of practice. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace!